everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. So I wanted to do a quick video for you guys. I know this isn't normally I'm in front of my white wall over there, but I am going to be doing shipping and I don't have a lot of time to film this video, so I thought that I would just kind of do it quick as I am doing labels and everything. So I'm just going to show you guys everything that I sold between yesterday and today, and I apologize for the lighting. That lighting's not real great for where I'm sitting. And excuse the mess. This is a box of thredUP returns. I got some stuff hanging there that I'm photographing, and then I have a pile of stuff that I need to photograph over there. My eBay room is pretty messy right now. It looks like, you know, it could be a decent size, I guess, from this picture, but my eBay room is pretty small, actually. So anyway, I'm just going to kind of go through and tell you what I sold and what I sold it for. The first item that I sold is this Sundance. It's new with without tags. It is a ribbed knit long sleeve shirt. This I actually sent into, I actually originally had sent it into thredUP, but it didn't sell. And so I ended up listing it just today, and it sold right away. I just listed it for a small $25. Someone bought it right out, or I think I listed it for $35. Someone sent me a $25 offer and I accepted it. I've had this top for quite a while. I think I got it pretty cheap, and I really just wanted to get rid of it. So that sold for $25 in Poshmark, so $20 is what I will get from it. This just sold. This is a Harley Davidson fleece. You know, actually I'm realizing that this says Harley Davidson on here, but it doesn't say it on here, so I hope that's okay. This sold on, oh, I did show the tag, I think. It's just a fleece. This sold for $25 with discount shipping on Poshmark. This sold on eBay. It's a reversible affliction thermal. I got this for a few bucks at a garage sale. This sold for $30 with shipping, plus shipping, on eBay really early this morning. This sold yesterday. This is another Harley Davidson. I don't know. My heroes have always been fat boys. I don't know. It's just like almost like a mustard color thermal. This sold for $25 on Depop plus shipping. This is Duluth Trading Company. I really love picking up Duluth Trading Company because it sells so quick. I just wanted to see how much I sold. I think I sold it for $18. Let me see. No, I sold it for $25. Sweet action. I didn't know I sold it for that much. This sells really well whenever I list it. I've got one more thing listed. It usually sells within a couple weeks. And this stuff is pretty expensive in store. I'm from the north, and it's a pretty popular brand around here. So that sold for $25. This I got in a mystery bag haul. I don't know if I put that up yet or not. I think I have. And it's just like a top, like a burnout style top from Rue 21. This was definitely something very popular when I was like in college. In my title, I put Y2K. And this actually sold. I got tons of items in the mystery bag, but a lot of them were junk, and I kept a couple pieces to resell. This one I kept because I wanted to list it as Y2K, because it really reminded me of the Y2K style. I did, and it sold for $9. So not a lot of profit, but this is super cute. I actually almost kept it for myself. This is what I would consider as well Y2K. Listed this as Y2K. Probably originally went with a dress of some sort, like a tank dress. This sold for $20 on eBay, and I was hoping to get $25, but you know, it's such a small piece of fabric, very lightweight. This is another item that I listed as Y2K, so that's really popular right now. This is a denim vest. I think I paid $2 for this, but I sold it for a $10 best offer. Someone sent me a best offer for $10, and I sold it. This was an oopsie. You know, sometimes when I'm in a hurry, when I'm on eBay and I'm sending out offers, I was in a hurry yesterday morning because I was going to be late for work, so I was trying to hurry up. And instead of putting $18, I put $1. This is just White Stag, which is either from Walmart or Kmart. I can't remember. But this is what I consider Y2K cabbage hem. I had Y2K in this listing as well. Obviously, this sold for $1 plus I think it was like $5 shipping or something. So I'm really not going to make any money on that. I'll be lucky if I break even, but probably will lose a little bit of money. And the last item is this Eileen Fisher cowl neck sweater. This Eileen Fisher is a size small. It's a really nice, almost like a tunic cowl neck sweater. And sorry for the lighting, guys. I picked the worst spot to do my video. This sold for $27. Probably could have sold it for more, but someone kept going back and forth with me, and I finally just took it. So in 2 days, I sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items, which is awesome because my eBay has been super slow. I had 2 sales over the weekend for like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's all I had was 2 sales, which was pretty bad. And so I'm really thankful for all of these sales. I have been listing over 10 items yesterday. I listed 5 today. I really didn't have a lot of time today, and I'm actually on my way headed out of the house now. But I want to show you guys everything that I sold the last couple days, and hopefully it'll be a little over $150 probably. I'm thinking it's gonna be around $150 when it's all added up. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. I do try to post content at least once a week, but sometimes twice as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you later. Bye!